Hey guys, so it's Tamara Manley with olardy.com and Platinum Leader with Young Living Essential Oils, and I was just filling up at my sink my favorite non-toxic cleaner. I thought I'd pop on here to share with you. Hey Billy. To share with you a bit about what I make and why I love it. So I use, as you guys know, this is no surprise to you, Thieves Household Cleaner. A little goes a long way, so like a cap full in a spray bottle with water is all you need for general cleaning purposes. And we use this all over our house. So we use this in the kitchen, in the bathroom, on the floors. I might, spray the floor and use a microfiber mop. I do make other concentrations of it, like a little heavier for heavier cleaning and lighter for windows and glass. But for the most part, general all-purpose cleaner is what I use. But if you're anything like me, you may still be, or you may used to have been, addicted to fall scents, holiday scents, pumpkin spice, everything, cinnamon clove, nutmeg candles, and air sprays, and Glade plugins, and all the things. And now that I know how toxic the ingredients in those things are, how the term fragrance can contain hundreds of chemicals that do not have to be disclosed to you, I can no longer burn a scented candle or use a scented air spray or a plug-in in my home. I can't. It's like once you know more, you choose to do better. And now that my family has gotten rid of synthetic fragrances for so long, we can hardly, my husband included, can hardly walk past one of those candle stores or the aisle at a Target or whatever that has those heavily scented things. However, I do miss those smells, especially on a day like today. It's a beautiful fall day here in Chicago. It's sunny, the leaves are changing. I love getting those scents. And so I will often diffuse in my diffuser, which is right there, oils like cinnamon and clove and orange together, or nutmeg, clove, ginger, etc., to get that holiday or pumpkin spice feel, but at the same time, not polluting my household with toxic chemicals and getting a therapeutic benefit at the same time. So what does this have to do with cleaning? Get to the point, Tamara. All right, Thieves Household Cleaner, my favorite non-toxic cleaner. If you think about, we spray our counters, we spray our floors, we walk barefoot, or our pets walk on the floor, and we're constantly absorbing those chemicals that we use to clean. Cleaning, right, you breathe in the vapors in your lungs. So I love using Thieves because I can get rid of the toxic clean products in my home. But how do I jazz it up for pumpkin spice time? So now this is pumpkin spice themed, but this could be anything. This could be evergreen type oils. This could be floral oils like geranium and jasmine in the spring, right? But for this, it's gonna be pumpkin spicy. So I've already put water in here, and my good friend Kelly Liston taught me to fill it with water first, then to add the cleaner. Because if you add the cleaner first and then the water, you get all the suds. It's like, mind expanding. Okay, so just a cap full. See if I can do this all at once without spilling. So a cap full right here. Okay, it's not too bad. All right, in the water. And now I'm gonna add a few, maybe 3 or 4 drops each of orange. Orange is just a great oil in general. It's very uplifting, smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna add 3 drops of nutmeg essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4 drops of nutmeg. I'm gonna add 2 drops of ginger. And then what do I have here? I have clove and cinnamon. So I'm gonna add 4 drops of cinnamon because I really like it cinnamon. Now this is not baking a cake, right? This is like whatever you want. If you like lots of cinnamon, add lots of cinnamon. 1, 2, 3. If you don't like ginger, don't add ginger. It's totally up to you. So this is adding some sort of a benefit to the cleaner, but really I'm doing this for scent purposes. This is clove. I don't know. So a clove, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and orange added to my cleaner. Put my top on. There you go. Okay, so now I clean the house. It smells amazing, and it cleans well without leaving toxins behind. So that is my favorite all-purpose cleaner, but jazzed up for pumpkin spice season. And if you're watching this live, I am having an event at my house in Libertyville on Sunday, November 3rd. It's an open house, 1 to 4 p.m. We're gonna make 4 or 5 different things, all pumpkin spice themed, but without toxic ingredients. There's no pressure. It's gonna be super fun, super educational. We have a great community. You guys, we have such a great community, both online around the world and local to Chicago area and local to Phoenix area. But we just all link arms with each other and help each other make better choices. So I'm going to put all of that information in the description. And if you have any questions, let me know. All right. Have a beautiful day. Bye.